Hey guys, welcome to Intensive Social Media Management Module number 1. Naku mga beshi, get your pens and paper dahil marami kayong matututunan sa module na ito and ito mga pag-uusapan natin today. No? Number 1, the difference between SMM and SMS. Ayan, qualifications of an SMM, the SMM cycle, and what is a content creator. Let's go. So pag-usapan muna natin yung una, what is the difference between a social media manager and a social media strategist or marketer? Go. So, pag sinabi nating social media manager, okay, doon muna tayo sa left side. You are the one who manages the social media accounts of your clients. So, ito yung mga ginagawa mo. Plan and create content, then create graphics, edit photos, videos, and audios, or podcasts, or response to messages or comments. We create captions, you schedule posts or content. So, yun ang ginagawa mo, no? Ideally, yun. Pero pag sinabi mong social media strategist, okay, ikaw ang may pamamahala sa pag-scale ng business ng kliyente mo through social media. By conversion lang nalalaman dito. Unang-unang ginagawa mo, ikaw nag-market research, ikaw nagpa-plan and create ng campaign for your marketing strategies. Pangatlo, ikaw yung nagsastudy ng analytics or future action plans. And lastly, pang-apat, you generate leads or sales. So, pretty much, dalawang magkaibang trabaho talaga yan. Pero dahil sa totoong buhay, kapag kumuha ka ng kliyente, ang utak ng kliyente, ang isang social media manager at marketer ay isa lamang. So you have to understand all, both, no? Basics of both. Okay? Para maging isang effective ka na social media manager sa inyong future client. And this program will absolutely help you with that. Now, ano yung qualifications of a social media manager? Pag-usapan natin yan. There are basic traits. Anim. Number 1, always updated with the latest trends, algorithm, updates. Alam mo naman, social media, weekly may bago updates yan. Dapat updated dyan. Pangalawa, you have to be creative. Okay? Number 1 yan, guys. You have to be very, very creative. Kasi social media manager kayo, gumagawa ka ng mga content, creativity sa must. Pangatlo, social. Kaya nga social media eh. Social. You connect to people. No? Number 4, you have to know social media, platforms, algorithm, basics. That alam yan. Strategic ka. Okay, paano mo mag-grow itong specific campaign na to? So, dapat strategic ka. And you have to be active in social media at the same time. Alright, so syempre naniniwala ako na ang bawat social media manager ay mas effective kung sila ay content creator as well, and we'll talk about that later. Now, ano yung mga skills required? Number 1, basic editing skills such as photo, video, audio, Google Sheets, Google Docs, mail, etc. Basic writing skills, research skills, social media platforms, content creation, and basic digital marketing, which will be covered in the program itself. Lahat yan matututunan nyo, so don't you guys worry. Okay? Now, let's talk about the SMM cycle, which is the routine I do ever since I started. So I classified it to 4 steps, which is number 1, identify, build, create, and review. Okay, let's go through that one by one. When you say identify your objective and specific target market. Okay? Number 1, ano yung objective or advocacy mo? Ano yung gusto mong i-promote na advocacy? Anong gusto mong content na ilabas dyan? No? Pag na ano mo yan, na identify mo yan, identify ano yung mga possible mong pagkakitaan. Pwedeng courses, di ba? Pwedeng mga templates, ko bahala. No? And lastly, sino ang specific target market mo? You cannot target everybody. Only a specific target market. For example, ako, ay i-example ko na lang akin na ang objective ko sa Buhay Virtual Assistant is to help aspiring Filipino social media managers land on their first client. Okay, ano yung products and services ko? Dalawa. tailored fit, SMM program, and number two, personal mentoring. Next, who is my specific target market? Filipino aspiring SMMs. Yun ang aking specific. Dapat specific ka din. Take time. Pause, write it down, and then after that, go to the next one. Okay, next, you build. Now, build your standard branding. So, ano yung mga font colors na gagamitin mo? Standard colors ako, as you know, magenta and peach, no? Ako, magenta, peach, black, gray, and white. Yung limang yun. Next, identify the standard font style, no? Standard language. Ako, Taglish. Taglish ako. Standard logo or display image. May kita nyo naman lahat ng logo ko ay may ganito. Ayan. 'Di ba? Lahat ng social media platforms ko, ito ang picture. Dapat pare-pareho. Yan. And identify which platform to use. Mamaya, we'll go through that. So, wag tayo mag-overthink. Okay? After that, you create and plan your content already based on your objective. Everything is based on your objective. Bago ka pala pumunta dito sa step 3, i-pause mo muna to, tapos may step 2. Bago ka mag-step 3, then tapos ka na sa step 1 and 2. Once you're done, then let's proceed. You create your content plan, okay, create your hashtags, create a picture, video, podcast, and article. Later, gagawin natin lahat yan on the next modules. Create captions and schedule all posts. This time, hindi nyo pa to agad gagawin kasi may activity tayo after on the future module. So, just after noon, ito yung next na ginagawa ko after. No? After that is review. Ito yung nami-miss lagi ng mga tao, no? Post na ng post weekly, pero hindi na nire-review kung ano nangyayari, ano yung performance about post nila every week. Okay, so intindihin mo, bakit ito bumaba, ba't ito ang taas? Ano yung nag-work, ano yung hindi nag-work? Check that study, and then after that, identify ano yung continue, ano yung drop, ano yung implement. After that, you improve the week after. So, yung 3 and 4, we do that together but not now. Ang focus natin ay yung steps 1 and 2. Okay? Doon lang tayo. Next. Last part of this module is content creation. Naniniwala ako na ang isang SMM or social media manager ay magiging effective kung sila ay isang content creator. Let me tell you why. Who are content creators? Content creators are storytellers, and it's your job to add value to your audience by telling your story through social media content. Okay, storytellers tayo. We're not sellers. We're storytellers. We're storytellers. Okay? And what are the content na pwede natin gawin? No? There are like 4 types, like videos, both short form, long form, di ba? TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Writing, pwede mga blogs, no? Audio, such as podcast, or maybe a music cover. Next are photos and graphics. So, alin ka dyan? Identify. In our case, since tayo ay tawag dito, mag-aaral ng repurposing of content, lahat yan pagdadaanan natin. Okay, lahat yan pagdadaanan natin. Okay? And ang kagandahan ng isang SMM na content creator, it's easy for you to help your clients because you've done it yourself. And I want you to be prepared for that. Na pagharap mo ng client, I'm ready for you because I know everything. Kasi lahat ng mga kliyente ngayon for SMM, hinahanap ang repurposing of content. Kaya ituturo ko sa inyo lahat yan. Now, yun ang sinasabi ko. Social media managers must be content creators as well. Because how do you help your clients with their social media accounts if you don't do it yourself? May mga strategies ka malalaman and skills na ma-hone on your own na madali mong i-apply sa yung social media management na client kung ikaw ay isang content creator as well. So, ang objective ng program nito is maging content creator kayo, build your milestones, build your portfolio. After that, you can easily apply. You can confidently apply what you've learned on your own and, you know, translate that to your clients. Thank you and have an amazing day. That's end of number one, module number one of SMM. Very basic, but I need you to ponder on this. Basically, mind setting and preparedness lang ito. Okay? Thank you. And if you're ready to embrace this, move to module 2 siguro next week na. Okay? Thank you guys. Have an amazing day ahead. Bye.